Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm in these World War II tunnels. Unfortunately, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but I will surely put a link underneath for me. These tunnels would have been used during the Second World War if there was a blast or an air raid siren going off. Anyone during working hours would have come down here in their hundreds, I do presume. I'm assuming it's 100 lot of people. But yeah, these are practically never ending. It's quite crazy. We've got a torch down there, we've got a torch down there, and we've got a torch there. It's absolutely crazy how lit up this place is right now. The echo in here is insane. But I'm going to do a bit more research. I know exactly where I am, I just can't remember the name off the top of my head. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, I'm all good. I'm all good. Thank you, cameraman. I've got Mark behind the camera, so you can say hello.
Hello.
It says the voice from the distance. So yeah, I have been here before. I came here last year with Aaron and Charlie, but unfortunately my footage got corrupted. So I'm now back here. I know exactly where I am. I just can't remember the name off the top of my head. So I'm going to do a little bit of a history segment after this. So yeah, it's crazy. You still got some lovely wall markings on the wall of like section J, section P, tunnel 4. It's amazing. So I thought I'd just take you along with this ride. So let's go. Alright guys, this is a bit blurry and we are joined by Mr. Markiplier. No, not Markiplier. Why am I saying Markiplier in my head? We are joined by Mark and we're in this place I came in last year during lockdown 2.
Sorry.
Mark's just dying because he drinks too much energy drinks. Literally, I left a business card in here and someone's burnt it to a crisp. Oh man, I'm gonna have to replace that. I'm definitely gonna put a new one in. Joking, I've only got 3 left. But yeah, I came in here last year. I can't remember what this place is called, but I know it was used during the Second World War as I think it was used way before then, but this was another entrance in, and I think I'd left another business card on the floor about there. But that was, no, hang on. No, that's not another entrance in. That was somewhere else. But I left a couple business cards around here somewhere. But you got some really cool stuff here without graffiti on. That's graffiti, obviously. Tunnel 4, 288, 169. Toilet seat. And Mark taking a very snazzy shot of all the way down there. But I'll find some more information on this place for sure, because I have been here before. I know exactly what it was called, but I haven't been here in ages, so I can't remember. Yeah, so if we climb through that way, we'll obviously have to come back through this way to get out, because there's no other entrance to this. But these would, hey, he's still here. It's Bob. Yeah, I think this would I think the toilets would have been in here. Or you would have stood in here, maybe to let people pass me. But yeah, I've got one of these bricks at home. This is where I first got my brick collection. I now have, how many bricks did I say I had?
A wall.
A wall. I've basically got...
The Great Wall of Will.
Yes! I've basically got a mini barbecue. But you can climb over. There's more tunnels that way, Mark, if you want to go that way. Let's get him. Look at that angle. You good?
That is one big echo.
Huh?
That is one big echo.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Fairly big in here.
Huh?
Big in here.
Yeah. I told you it keeps going. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, it just keeps going and going and going and going. But if there was an air raid siren or there was bombs going off, they would have come down here.
It's mad, isn't it?
Oh yeah. No, I think, yeah, this is the original way I got in. Pardon you.
Oh, really?
I left. Can't have been the way they're all fairly similar. I don't remember exactly the way I got in, but... What?
Dragon soup.
Dragon soup?
Yeah, I drank that the other night.
Didn't even think you could still get them.
Yeah, I sent it to Liam.
Oh, Liam.
American.
The American Liam. When's he coming back over?
Next week, I think.
Yippee!
Bring him here.
Can do. I don't mind coming back here.
Down here.
It's just all tunnels, mate, but you could it loops all around. Old light fixtures. Sheesh. But it's not bad. You definitely have a private party down here and no one would know you were down here. Oh no. It's a WP brick. Wheels, yes. You right? Don't try and knock yourself out. Oh, excuse me, that was disgusting. I do apologise. I swear I had people down here when we came down here.
Yeah, same here, that's what I said. Maybe they're down here.
Oh, you get some... Sorry. That light is crazy.
Yeah, that's why I don't know how to use it properly.
Some of this, the section stuff is so preserved. It looks like it's been painted yesterday.
Yeah, it's done and not been touched, which is great.
But these bricked up sections, they would not have been there, so the tunnels would have just been going on and on and on. I need to show you, what's that golf club that's got? I went in there recently, I went in there with Aaron last year. What was it, early this year I went into? Yeah, Bannon, Old World War II tunnels.
I think you showed me.
And yeah, it's like this, but on a smaller scale. I think a little larger scale, but yeah, it's the dead end there. But yeah, it's all going to be the same. Yeah. But no, I came down here last year with Aaron and Charlie, but I lost all my footage, and it didn't really turn out too great either. But it just keeps going on and on and on. It doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop. But you got, like I said, you've got like sections E, sections like Tunnel 6 to the first aid room. They're so preserved that you'd think, hey, they were actually graffitied on here.
It's not, you can see it's original.
Some of them have faded quite.
Yeah, it's faded, but that's just mould over it, actually. Right. When you work it goes back again. See? Just dust, maybe. Back from the chalk.
Yeah. You can see a difference. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah. That's quite crazy.
That's probably why it's so well preserved.
Huh?
Probably why it's so well preserved.
And you got to think it's well underground, so you can.
Not
Oh my god, that's just, it just goes on. It just goes on. Some parts are going to look fairly similar, but if you know the history on it and you know what these were used for, then it's like this one. Look at this one. Perfectly in the, well, not really in the middle, but you can see, look at that. I think that's the cleanest one down here. I don't know what... Oh my god, that's so echoey.
It is.
Hello! That's so... Sorry, if anyone's got the TV turned up really loud, I do apologise. Oh man. Keep... What? Oh, that's cool. So these... They would have been in there.
There's one in.
Oh, there's a good example. Okay. Ah, no, this is the way that I came in.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Oh,
yeah, it's the new door, isn't it? Is there any remnants of my old business card? Because I left it on the floor and someone sent me a picture of it actually on the floor, but by the looks of it, it looks like it's been burnt to shreds. Or they've actually taken it. But yeah, that one, that door right there, if I can show the outside, yeah, because I could see all the way in. So there's a gap. There's a brick wall there and there's a fence. Literally on the other side, I'll show you when we leave, they are built an entirely new housing estate that has literally popped up.
This is literally going to be gone.
No, this isn't going. They can't touch this. They'll just
like non-accessible.
They'll just seal it up for good.
Is there a house in there? I'll brick it on the outside.
Probably use those black doors.
Yeah.
Or I don't know.
2 sections A, B, C, D, and E seats.
I didn't even recognise that. It just annoys me how people put their names in the gaps as well.
Yeah.
But what can you do? Not a lot, but that is quite crazy. That is very crazy. And as you go, there is a Sieg Heil! Heil Hitler.
Careful.
Demonetised. Yeah. I'm not monetised anyway. Viking Bros JS. Help! But it just goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Crazy stuff. Oh, yes. Well, you can cut through that way and go through that. It's another toilet. What's that?
Is that part of an old compass? Not like super old.
You ain't gonna get lost down here, I'm pretty sure.
Nah.
Oh man. Crazy stuff though.
It's mad.
I'm glad you could have got in it now. I'm really happy that we've. But yeah, it just keeps going. Crazy stuff. you want to take a toilet?
Yeah.
Can you tell me why you want a toilet?
Breakfast! Perfect. That is actually perfect.
Ta-da! Look at that.
Clean.
But if you look on this wall, Mark, you can see original pencil scratches.
Etchings.
Huh.
Drawings. Sketches.
Also biographies. Oh, Jesus.
2552.
Oh, this is the women's section. Hang on. Women. Your nan was here.
She may have been. I don't think she would have been.
How did they know she was here?
She must.
Well, that's cool.
My name.
Do you want me to see if I can just... Nah, that's well in there.
Cool.
Women. Yeah, I've got some cool stuff. You got men on one side, and then you got the women one on another side. Hello. I think I've zoomed in on my camera. Just a bit zoomed in there. Oh. Section K. Right, we were literally just leaving, and we found another little tunnel system. And yes, this is my bike light. So I'm going to put you away, and I'm going to go and climb down there. Just come through this section here, and it's not very big at all. There's like a little fireplace jobby right there. You turn around, and there's some demented, creepy baby with no nose and no arms. Right,